Exciting news! Canada launches new permanent residence pilot programs for caregivers on arrival. If you're a caregiver looking to immigrate to Canada or know someone who is, pay attention to this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Canada Immigration Matters channel, brought to you by Chugo Immigration Services. Today we have some fantastic news for caregivers and Canadian families. Canada has just announced new pilot programs that will grant permanent residence to caregivers on arrival. Stick around to learn all the details and how you can benefit from these new opportunities. Today, we have exciting news from Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada. On June 3, 2024, in Toronto, the Honorable Mark Miller, Minister of Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship, announced new pilot programs that will support caregivers and Canadian families in a big way. These programs will grant caregivers permanent residence status upon arrival in Canada and allow them to pursue other jobs freely. Let's get into what this update means for you. Here are some quick facts for your information. In June 2014, over 60,000 persons were in the Live-In Caregiver program. Today, less than 1% of that inventory remains. As part of the 2024 to 2026 Immigration Levels Plan, Canada will admit over 15,000 caregivers as permanent residents. As of April 30th, 2024, nearly 5,700 caregivers and their family members have become permanent residents since the launch of the Home Child Care Provider Pilot and the Home Support Worker Pilot in 2019. These new programs mark a significant change and a fantastic opportunity for caregivers looking to make Canada their home. Caregivers are invaluable to Canadian families, making a significant impact on the lives of children, seniors, and persons with disabilities. With the Home Child Care Provider Pilot and the Home Support Worker Pilot closing on June 19, 2024, these new pilot programs come at a crucial time. Here are the key highlights of the new pilot programs. Caregivers will receive permanent residence status on arrival in Canada. You can come with your spouses and children if you are married as permanent residents of Canada. You can work for individuals and also work for organizations that provide temporary or part-time care. This new pathway allows you clear, straightforward access to permanent residency. To be eligible for the pilot program, candidates must achieve a minimum CLB-4 on the language proficiency test in either English or French. So, this is a good time to hit the books and prepare for either the IELTS or TEF if you are taking the French language test. You must hold the equivalent of a Canadian high school diploma. Also, you must have recent and relevant work experience, and most importantly, you must have a full-time home care job offer in Canada. I know this can be challenging, but it is possible. We can help you if you need assistance finding jobs in Canada from your home country. Canada is serious about this new program and sees that these pilot programs are a significant step forward in meeting Canada's evolving home care needs. According to the Honorable Mark Miller, caregivers play a critical role in supporting Canadian families, and our programs need to reflect their invaluable contributions. The Honorable Recky Valdez, Minister of Small Business, added that generations of women and men have advocated for this important pathway and have cared for our families and loved ones here in Canada. Now is the time to return the care they deserve. For more information on the eligibility criteria and how to apply, stay tuned to our channel. If you're a caregiver looking to immigrate to Canada or know someone who is, reach out to Chugo Immigration Services. They have the expertise to assist you with your caregiver immigration applications. Remember, You're not alone in this journey to Canada. We're here to help you every step of the way. Let's make your dream of living and working in Canada a reality. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Canada immigration matters. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Do you have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact Chugo Immigration Services for personalized assistance. See you next time. Thank you for watching.